This is going to be the first, I guess, like luxury purchase of 2025. Now, I don't have like a luxury based channel or anything, so don't expect to like these all the time. Now, I didn't buy this bag directly from Balenciaga, so I ended up buying it from a third-party retailer. I opened up a cardboard box, pretty big size, I would say, and this is what was inside. It has a clear bag, plastic bag. So this is actually a very true unboxing because I haven't even unboxed it. I have not looked at it. It's been sitting for a couple of days just because this is the only time I got available to actually film this video. So yes, this is new to me too. So here it is. It says Balenciaga, if you haven't already seen from the title of this video or maybe the thumbnail. But yes, it is quite large, as you can kind of see. I don't know if you'll be able to guess what it is, but here's the dust bag. It's an okay dust bag. It's not bad. I mean, it's fine. It's not, I would say in the bags that I do have, it probably is like in the middle of the dust bags. Like there's some dust bags that for some reason I would have imagined to be a little bit more luxurious and some that were surprisingly very nice. If you want to know, the one I was upset about was Chanel. It's my most expensive handbag, but yet I felt like the dust bag was very underwhelming, I would say. And then the one that was surprised me the most, like Celine. I felt that the Celine one felt quality. It felt very nice. And it has like a subtle pattern on it, which is just very nice as well. So anyways, this one, it's kind of boring. It's okay, it's fine. It's a little like scratchy, the material, but it's okay. As you can kind of see, I'm pretty sure you already know what it is, but you know, by its iconic like handles. But this, I'm gonna open it, Balenciaga City Bag. Oh, immediately it smells like leather, so that is a good sign. It's a leather bag, so it should be leather smelling. So here's what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I got the size medium, and I think that this is the black. So very interesting. All right. And then it has the chain, or not chain, what am I saying? It has this strap here. I thought this was gonna be like a reusable thing, but I don't know. It kind of seems like I wouldn't really ever use this thing again. Okay, so the strap is actually a little bit skinnier than I would have thought. I thought it would be a little bit thicker, but that's totally fine. I don't really mind that much. It has a couple of like adjustments here and there. There's quite actually a lot of adjustments. So, okay, this can get pretty long, it seems. Yeah, right now it's not quite the shortest settings. It's right here right now, but they have like all of this to play with. I got the size medium. This is in black, and I want to say that this is brass hardware, but for some reason it's showing up very silver, which, to be honest, I didn't really have a preference that much, so I don't really care that much. This is a bag that I have wanted for like ever since I was like quite young, when I saw all the celebrities like wear it, and then it kind of fell off like my radar. And then I saw a creator, a like Chinese influencer, carry this bag, and I fell in love with it again. And I'm like, well, I feel like it's kind of an iconic bag. Everyone kind of knows about it, so I felt like it's not really like a trendy item because it was once a trend, then fell off the trend, and now back kind of trending-ish. Not really, but I was like, well, whatever. I wanted this bag for quite a while, so why don't I just get it? This is what the back looks like. Pretty simple. It is like you can kind of see it. The leather is kind of like crumply a little bit, but that's kind of the style, I think, of this moto style bag. The handles are braided, so as you can kind of see, and I was kind of confused what that meant. That just means this, like this little braiding thing that it kind of like loops in and out of the leather every once in a while. So without the stuffing now, it's, oh yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, now this is what I liked about it too, because look, it can become like so squishy. Like it's not, like I have a lot of structured bags, but this is kind of like one of the only bags that I have now that is a little bit more like casual, like that can like throw on. I like that immediately out of the box, it kind of looks like it's already been lived in. I know maybe that's not what a lot of other people like about it, but I do like that. And I'm kind of looking forward to like wearing this more, wearing it out. Dare I say, getting it a little like dirty and like not so like nice and tidy, like make it feel like lived in. I know it's very trendy right now for a lot of people to put bag charms on, and this bag style particularly lends itself well to that. Yeah, so very cool. I mean, I don't really know too much about like the history of this or anything like that, but it seems like this has been around, this has been a style that's been around for a really long time. I think that there's I didn't even know that there was other styles to this. This is a classic La City bag, but then they have like the work bag, they have like a bunch of other ones, and I just got really confused because to me, they all look the same. I have the website pulled up here. Reading from the website, this is lambskin, I guess. To be honest, I didn't really pay attention to what kind of leather this is, but I guess it's lambskin. Okay, so one thing to note too is that this doesn't feel particularly that heavy. Like, I think it's okay right now, obviously, with it being like empty, but once you start packing items in it, I can feel that it might start getting a little bit heavy. Also, I think that most of the weight is being carried with the handles. I feel like it's maybe the handles that are making it like the heaviest part, but as far as like the leather and then the bag itself, it doesn't feel that heavy itself, but here, like the handles is what makes it feel, yeah, a little bit more bulkier. So yeah, I mean, I'll continue seeing it. I'll throw some stuff in and see if it's actually ends up being heavy. But I do like that it has the crossbody strap. You can just throw it over the body for a little bit of easing the weight. It has a zip in the front here. It's fabric lined. It's kind of small, but you can just carry a couple of like little stuff here and there. I don't know, mints if you want. But then obviously the bulk of the items would be placed in the middle. And yeah, it's just fabric lined, it's just black, and yeah, it does not have feet, but I'm totally fine with that. Sometimes I feel like feet make it look a little bit more proper, but there's something about this that looks a little bit like effortless and such, so super cool, super cool. I was back and forth between the medium and small for the longest time, but I think I made the right choice. I think medium was better. For some reason, the medium just felt a little bit more casual than the small. I felt like the smaller one just felt a little bit more prim and proper, but the medium one has that like casual everyday likeness. Okay, so inside, besides the large, I'm wearing it, that's why this is really difficult. Besides the large pocket, there is a slip pocket here, not slip pocket, it's a zipper pocket here. Now it's kind of difficult though because the inside is black, so it's gonna be one of those bags that you put stuff in and everything in it gets like lost, but that's okay. I don't know, I'm just buy a fluorescent bag to put inside here or something like that. Oh yeah, it has Balenciaga here, pasted in the tag. Cool. Is that embossed or debossed? I think it's debossed, right? The one that stamps in. I'm really looking forward to using this bag. I think that there's something unique about this bag just because, like I said, it's kind of like the only like really slouchy, kind of looks good when you like have worn it in. I really like how casual this feels. I think that this definitely fills a hole, I guess, in my handbag wardrobe. I don't have a ton of handbags, nor do I plan on buying or collecting a whole bunch of handbags. So yeah, but overall, just super excited. I think that this kind of fulfills my like high school dream. I think I liked this bag maybe in high school or something, you know, many years ago. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments below. I hope you have a fantastic day, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye.